Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best digital wood moisture meter. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Non-destructive spherical hygrometer. The Telehill WM710A uses a spherical probe for non-invasive moisture testing. This design allows for precise measurements without causing damage to the material, with a measuring depth of 20-40 mm. Large HD color display. It features a high-definition color LCD screen that makes readings crystal clear and easy to interpret, even in low-light conditions. Self-calibration function. This meter is equipped with a self-calibration function, ensuring accurate readings and reducing the hassle of manual adjustments. Moisture alarm function. With a measurement range of 0-100, you can set alarm thresholds for different materials. The device alerts you when the moisture content exceeds the critical value, ensuring precise monitoring. Max and minute value recording. The Telehill WM710A records both maximum and minimum values during testing, helping you track the range of moisture levels for better analysis. Wide applications. This device isn't limited to wood. It can also measure moisture in softwood, hardwood, wet walls, ceilings, concrete, and more, making it ideal for various applications. Pros. Non-destructive testing ensures no damage to materials during measurements. User-friendly display. The HD color screen is easy to read and offers clarity. Versatile applications, suitable for wood, walls, ceilings, and concrete. Customizable alarms, adjustable alarm thresholds for different material needs. Self-calibration eliminates the need for manual recalibration. Max minute recording tracks moisture ranges effectively. Energy efficiency, auto shut-off feature saves battery life. Cons. Limited depth. The measuring depth is capped at 20-40 mm, which may not suffice for thicker materials. No backlight adjustment. While the screen is clear, it lacks an adjustable backlight feature for extreme lighting conditions. Battery dependency. Frequent use may require battery replacements, which might not suit everyone. The Telehill WM710A digital wood moisture meter stands out as a reliable, user-friendly tool with robust features like non-destructive measurement, a self-calibration function, and versatile applications. Whether you're working with wood, concrete, or walls, this gadget ensures accuracy and efficiency. Check the price using the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product for more updates. Stay tuned for more insightful product reviews.